Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about party supplies, businesses and quick. So first type Shopify in the search. Now listen to the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can just skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Now choose an account. Here wait a few seconds, building this store. So first here you have to do to go to the online store and go to the themes here where you can change the themes if you want, and you can customize your store. So here where you can change it if you want. For me, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want, select, click add, and wait the theme to install it. So once your theme is added, you can just click here publish, and now you can customize it on your home page store. Now click here customize, and it will take you to your home page store where you can design it. So the first thing here you have to do, you can change the style of your home page. You can make a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen. So for me, I'm gonna choose this desktop. Here you can, this is the settings. You can design your website from here. It begins with the header and ends with the footer. So here we find the announcements bar. You can edit the color scheme. You can also show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. You can turn this on, auto rotate announcements. You can enable country region selector, and also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back here. You can change the announcements, the text. Also you can pass a link or search for something you want. I'm gonna select this, all collections. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the header. So here the desktop position you can change. I'm gonna make it like a middle left. You can change the main menu, or you can remove it if you want. You can also manage the desktop menu type. You can manage the sticky header. You can show separator line. You can also edit the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Also here you can enable country and region selector or language selector. You can edit the spacing. Also you can edit the section padding. On here you can manage the same settings. You can add your social media links like Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add for links. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you can select a logo from your library, or for example let's search on it on the browser. Party supplies, logo ideas. So that's it. For example this. So you can change it at any time. You can edit it at any time you want. So this is your logo right now. You can change it, you can delete it if you want. Here you can manage the desktop logo width or the vertical offset. So let's get back and let's move on to the slideshow. Here you can edit the layout. You can also edit the slide height, and you can turn this on, auto rotate slides. You can manage the animations, the image behavior. You can edit the slideshow description. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the slide. You can edit the slide if you want. Here you can select image, for example from browser, party supplies. So for example you can choose a photo from here. So for example this. this. Here you can duplicate this section, you can hide it, you can remove it if you want, you can move it up or move it down. So let's move on. Here the heading, you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. For example, party supplies, and click here generate. Now you can choose from these suggestions. So for example this, here you can edit the heading size, you can also generate the subheading. So that's it. You can edit the button label, you can also change the button link, you can use outline button style, you can show container on desktop, you can also here change the color scheme. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the featured collection section. So if you want to delete some section, just select it and click here remove section, it will be deleted. So this is also here the heading, you can describe what this text is about. So that's it. Here you can edit the heading size. Here also you can just like this, you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Also here you can show collection description from the admin. You can manage the description style, you can also manage the collection style or the collection. You can create another collection. Here you can make product full width. Also you can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. So that's it. Here you can edit the color scheme, you can manage the product guard section. So that's it. Now let's get back. The last section here we have the footer section. You can manage the email sign up, the scheme for example. You can make section full width, and you can here manage the section padding, the top padding and the bottom. So that's it. Now after you're done from design your website, all you have to do, save this, and let's get back to the home page, to the dashboard. So after you customize your online store, after you add your first product, after you add the custom domain, and after you share in details, so now the next step, you can name your store. Click here. Now here you can name your store, type any name you want, and you can add your store phone, you can change here your store email. So that's it. Oh, can just so after you're done from this, all you have to do is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.